tarot readings. Hi everyone, welcome to Geps Holistic. So this is G Namita, your tarot reader, astrologer, numerologist, your Astro Vastu consultant, and today we are going to start again the tarot readings for the second half of the month, that is May. So let's see what the card brings for you, and let's have a look at the cards. So what's going to happen in the love life of Aries sign. So all those who are having Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising Aries, this video is for them. And let me tell you, this is a journal reading. This won't resonate with everyone. So just take those messages which resonate with you and leave the rest. So let's start with the reading. So I'm going to take few cards for the present, past and future of Aries sign. So let's see what the cards bring for you. This would be a journal reading, so just take those messages which resonate with you and leave the rest. We'll see the present in the love life of Aries. So let's see. Okay. So we have two cards here. We have Ace of Pentacles and the Temperance card for the present. We have Hierophant card in the past. And let's see what's coming by the end of the May for the sign of Aries. Okay, so we have the Moon card and let's say one more card. Okay, so with the overall energy, that is the Tower card. So as I can see, the Hierophant card in the recent past in the Aries sign tells me that certainly there were commitments in your past. Certainly there were some kind of family weddings, or I can say some kind of social functions, gatherings, where you have either met your life partner or either you have met your person, or I also see that some of you, not all, but some of you also might have got tied in the pious relationship of marriage. Some of you might have got married in the recent past. That's what it's telling me. So it's a very good positive card overall. It's telling us that there are commitments, there are stabilities, there are foundations, and there are good beginnings in the recent past. In your present, I can see an Ace of Pentacles and the Temperance card. So this Ace of Pentacles and Temperance card in the present, it tells me that certainly there are new beginnings in your love life, Aries. I see, as I told you, that some of you are married, or some of you have got commitments from your partners, or some of you have actually, tied the pious knot, or some of you have also met your person in some kind of social function, some kind of gathering, something of that sort. And as I can see in the current, there is a new beginning, and I see this new beginning is bringing a balance to your life. This is filling you with lot of positivity. And I also see that many of you, because Temperance and Hierophant card, both of this points towards spirituality. So I also see that many of you have started a career in the spirituality. Many of you have started taking the help of angels, and maybe in the recent past also you were very oriented towards spirituality. You were reading books, you were doing meditation maybe, and so I see that some of you, right, you have started a new career in the spirituality. And if I talk about the relationship point of view, I see you have worked a lot on yourself. Actually, in the recent past you have worked on yourself, so which is bringing a new beginning in the love life of many people in the present. In the coming future, I have 2 of Moon and I have 4 of Swords. So just let me take a clarifier. And the bottom of the deck is Tower card. So clarifier for this. Let's take a clarifier for the recent future. Okay, so the clarifier I have got is King of Swords. King of Swords is the clarifier. Aries, I just see that in the recent future, like by the end of the May, there will be sudden movements in your love life. My intention is not to disappoint you. My intention is not to harm you, or to just make you feel low, but I had to give the message that is there in the tarot. So I'm just feeling that there will be some kind of disappointments. Maybe if you are a woman watching this video, so your partner may, like just I can say, like, not want the relationship to happen. Like if you are not in a committed relationship, your partner may not want the relationship to happen. And if you are already married, and if you're already married and if your partner has given you a commitment, I see there will be some kind of issues from the male person, whoever it's in the relationship. They'll either try to say no to you, or they will try to actually run away from this situation, and this is going to bring a disappointment in your love life by the end of the May. And as I can see, you are dealing with a person who is of the Aries sign. Like you might be dealing with Libra, you might be dealing with Gemini, you might be dealing with Aquarius. So these are the people that you are dealing with. So I see a kind of a relaxed position towards the end of the May, not a very, I would say, a fulfilling position towards the end, and like you will be in a kind of waiting position, and all of this will happen very sudden. It will be so sudden that you will not come to know actually how the things are going. So that's all for you, Aries. If you like my video, please comment and subscribe to my channel. Until then, keep watching my videos. For personal readings, you can contact me on my Instagram or my Facebook ID. Till then, bye bye, take care.